Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you the beauty of a StreamYard application. It's actually a browser-based, it's a cloud-based video broadcast wherein you can go live over social media. You can even record a video privately. You can even meet with your customers, with your family, with your clients on a private video broadcast. And you can even go live on multi-streaming platforms like in YouTube, LinkedIn, and Facebook groups, Facebook pages, Facebook profiles. So now I'm going to show you the best platform for me, which is applicable for my needs, and this is the StreamYard. So hello, now we are on the StreamYard dashboard. Here we go, yan, that's what you're gonna see. So inside the StreamYard dashboard, you're gonna see here, I'm using a Vivaldi browser, by the way. So there's a broadcast and then you have a past broadcast, okay? So you just have to choose whether you're gonna broadcast. Kanina, I did the broadcast, it's recorded. So it's here already. And then if you click this, you're gonna see your previous live stream videos. And if you go down, you're gonna see it there, everything is there, okay? And then once you click these three dots over here, for example this one, you click that and then you have the option to go back inside the broadcast studio, and then that's your link, or you can view it on YouTube. And then the most important thing is this one, hold on, is you can download the recording, and then you have the option to download the recording whether it's audio, pure MP3, or the whole video. Okay, that's cool, right? Okay, so now we are on the past broadcast. You go back to broadcast, you click that, and then there is a menu here. You click this down, you're gonna see there are broadcast, destination, that's my account, it's okay, there's an email address, billing, settings, contact, FAQ. So let's check first the destinations. Destinations, you have to do this up front. You have to choose where you want to go live, in your Facebook profile, in a page, in LinkedIn, this one, or in your YouTube. So usually for me, I go live on Facebook and YouTube, okay? But that depends, but sometimes I go on pre-recorded shows, okay? So we go back. Now, how to start broadcasting? This is easy. So once you're in this dashboard, syempre, what you need from StreamYard is you have to create an account. So you can go for a free account and a paid account. I would suggest you go for the paid account. It's a small investment, and you can try it for 1 month, so you can already personalize your show, and you will have a professional look on it. Okay? Well, you need to invest. It's part of it. And now, let's go inside the broadcast. Click this blue tab, create broadcast. So as you can see, I created already my destinations earlier. So I just have to choose whether I'm going to go live in one of this social media, or I'll just go and record it. Okay? So let's just choose one. I'm going to go for my Facebook page. This one. No, not this one. This is YouTube. Okay, let's just go for YouTube. My YouTube channel, the other YouTube, JB Inspires. So the title of this is StreamYard Test. That's just a sample. And then of course you have to type in the description about your live stream, what's it about, the topic, test, tutorials. Okay, mali ba spelling, but it's okay. And then, as you can see, in YouTube, there's 3 types. You can go on public, unlisted, and private. So I'm sure you know what it means. So of course, if you want people to find you and you want to connect to your subscribers, you go to public. If you want it to be private, you go to unlisted. And if you want it just for a more confidential link, you go for private. For this test, I'm going to go for private because I don't want anybody commenting on this tutorial, okay? And then the schedule, you can broadcast now, or you have the option to click the box, and then it's gonna give you these options over here. This is the thumbnail, wherein you will upload the thumbnail. So if you click this, uh, you will have an option. It will bring you back to your computer, and then you upload what do you call this, a thumbnail. But for now, we're not gonna do that. So as you can see, you can have a image over there. This one is scheduled today, or you want to reschedule, right? So if you click this today box, it's gonna pop out the calendar. So today is July 7. Let's say I can schedule this by July 10. So it's an advanced schedule, right? And or maybe let's for this tutorial, let's schedule it now. Okay, let's go live now so that you'll see. Okay, so I say I create the broadcast. Boom. So I'm going live on YouTube on a private link. So there you go. I'm scheduled today. So what I'm gonna do now is click these three buttons, and I just wanna see my link in YouTube first. What's it like? Okay, so this is my YouTube page. So that's it. It says there in Tagalog, magla-live. But of course, it doesn't have any thumbnail, kaya black lang siya. So you see, that's our StreamYard test. That's the title of their live stream. And as you can see, it's in a private setting. So you can go and subscribe to my channel. As you can see, that's JB Inspires Vlog for more tutorials, and I can help you in your digital marketing. And that's it. So that's what it looks like. Okay, now we go back to the StreamYard page. So once we are here, so if you want to go live, you just have to click this three button, and then you go enter broadcast studio. Okay, so again, there are steps here again. Now you're gonna check your camera, your mic, and your background. So as you can see on this page, you can see this is the mic. That means when I talk, it's working. Okay, so it's good. And then as you can see, that's me. It's live. I'm gonna wave. I'm using a green screen for StreamYard, and this is my platform virtual background. This is customized because this is a paid account. And then the description, you can actually edit this. You can see, you can delete, and you can just put this GB just for the tutorial. So you can put whatever, okay, whatever your description is. And then this is the enter broadcast studio. So okay, before we enter the broadcast studio, okay, we have this is the mute section. But I suggest before you do this, just go ahead and enter the broadcast studio. Okay, there. Now it says there it's scheduled, and it says here it's in YouTube. Now let me show you this upper portion first. This one, it says edit, wherein you can immediately add another link, another platform that you would like to go live, or you can just change it, click, and just go live to the other one. You can do that. And then it says here, it's telling you that you are scheduled to go live today at 6:40 p.m. right now. And then it's telling you that you are in your YouTube channel. Okay, so of course this is the go live button, but we're not gonna click that yet. First thing you have to do is to click this this section over here, camera mic. So you have to test your camera. So I'm using an external camera. If you click this, you have other options. Whatever you have and available in your computer, the StreamYard can detect it. So I use the C920 Logitech external camera. The resolution, I would suggest you just go for 480p, because if you go for 720p, it's gonna eat your bandwidth. It's gonna make your internet slower, and you don't need that. This one is decent enough. And then we go to audio. For the audio, as you can see, there are several options also that your computer can detect. But I'm using like external mic. I'm using a Samsung Go mic. So I click that, and as you can see, it's working. And then for the speaker, for the audio, I suggest you wear an earphones to avoid feedback, so that you can hear the audio, but my mic is external. It's different source. So for this, I'm not wearing any earphone for the tutorial, so let's just leave it as is. Okay. For the green screen, you can choose none. So if I choose none, you can see the green background. If you choose this one, this are preloaded virtual background, which is cool. And then if you're paid account, you can do this. You can have a customized virtual background. There you go. There. And then you can just adjust, of course. You can adjust this one or that one. so to make it, yeah, to make you look good on the screen with your green screen. Okay, so you can choose green or blue, but don't bother, just go for the green. Okay, now in this one, if you click this guest, you can just choose whether the guests see viewer comments. They would see the viewer comments. Play the sound, or the guest must authenticate for security reasons. You can also choose this if you want to ban some other guest, and that's it. Then you go to the general, then X. So now you're back to your dashboard, to your live screen, to your broadcast studio. So what is this share screen? That's going to be another topic. This is wherein you will share different application and sharing videos. But to go live, I just want to make this video short so that you're not going to be, what do you call this, over information and overthinking about how to go live, because this is so simple. Okay, so there you go. So this is your live. I'm just going to click this so that I'm going to be going to the screen. So I'm on the screen now. This option is you have someone that you're talking to, if you have a guest. So if you want to invite a guest, you click this invite guest, and then you just click this copy, and then you can send the link via Gmail, email, or Facebook Messenger, and then your guest will just click that link, and then he will be redirected inside StreamYard, inside your studio, without having to download any application. You just need to allow his camera and the audio to be used by StreamYard. So that's basically it. Now we're gonna go live. Are you ready? If I go like this, if I click this, are you sure you want to go live? Yes, I want to go live, but it's okay. It's in a private setting. So now, there you go. So you have the time, 2 seconds. So you're gonna see the time now. We're going live and speaking live right now, but we're in a private setting. So this is actually where you would comment to your viewers, say hello, yeah, and then just comments on private videos, because I'm on a private setting, but basically you get it. Now these are the comments. If you go down, banners, how do the banners work? So we're gonna go stop the broadcast for now. There you go, end the broadcast. That's easy. And then just say thumbs up, not now. Now you finish broadcasting live, right? That's easy. Now let me just show you this one to make your customized broadcast more professional looking. Use the banners. This banners is, if you click the show, see that it's running. So you can edit this. It's a Facebook group. So I asked them to join my Facebook group. So if you click save and then click that, it's gonna show on the screen. There you go, it's moving. Clicker join facebook.com. So it's nice, like you're in a TV show. And then if you want this to be out, just click that out. And then if you want to create a new banner, you just click that, and then you can just type here again, new, and then that banner will come out. If you click that, it's gonna show on the screen. So it's like the title of the topic. Okay, so now you just click that again and hide it. Now for the brand, if you click this brand, you're gonna see a color. You have the option to choose what color you want. Let's just say I'll go for red. So it changes into red, right? And then there's the default, and there's the small name font. Okay, and then this one is the logo. As you can see, if you have a free account, you can use the logo for StreamYard over there. But if you have paid account, you can have your own logo on the screen. Makes you more professional. Okay, so basically that's it. And then these are overlays. So if I type this, for example, it will cover the whole screen. So I'm going to be at the back, but these are pictures. But you can also upload videos like this. If you click this, there you go. Let's see again. Suppose it's going to play there. Okay, and then the videos that you can upload on this section is only 30 seconds. Okay, that's what they allow. Okay, for the background, uh, that's the same as the green screen. And basically, that's the basic. And then if you go to private chat, of course, you can chat with all your guests. You can have up to 10 guests on the screen. So that's going to be 9 plus you is 10. Then you can chat with them privately, individually, or as a group. And then when you go to settings, it brings you back to the settings of your broadcast. So that's how easy it is to go live and to use StreamYard. So on the next video, I'm going to teach you how to screen share and all the other tweaks and hacks on StreamYard. So if you want to go and get your own StreamYard, I would suggest you just click the StreamYard link below this video, because that will give you a discount, a special discount, and that's the only link that can give you a discount. So click that link. So again, that is how easy that you can use the StreamYard. It's browser based, no need to download anything. So I've been using this for more than 4 months already since the lockdown, and it never failed me. I'm happy with it. I look more professional and confident when I do the live stream and even do my recording privately, private meetings and everything. So it's very easy to use. So for you to get a discount, you just need to go and click the link below. Just click the link below on this video and you will get a discount on your StreamYard rates and prices. Okay, but I would suggest you go for the basic, for the paid account, so you can customize your video. So but then again, if you have any questions, and after clicking video, signing up, you can message me, subscribe to this video, DM me, and I'll be happy to help you and assist you. Okay, so again, thank you very much, and I'll see you on my next video. So don't forget to subscribe. Bye bye.